Did you know you can mine cryptocurrency right from your phone without draining your battery or racking up high electricity bills? The Pi network makes this possible, and millions of users have already started earning Pi coins with just a few steps. So, if you're looking for an easy way to enter the crypto world, now is the perfect time to get started. To begin, you'll need to download the Pi network application from either the Google Play Store if you're an Android user or the App Store if you're an iOS user. So, once you download the application, you're going to click on open and you will be redirected to the Pi network interface. So here you got to create an account of Pi network. So there are three ways to register. One is through sign in with Apple. So if you have an iPhone, you can quickly link your Apple ID for an easy sign up. Or if you have Facebook, so this option will allow you to connect your Facebook account by entering your email and password. And then we have continue with phone number. This is the most reliable method and you can simply sign up using your mobile number. So if you choose to register with your phone number, simply select your country and enter your number. Next, you'll need to provide a valid email address that will be linked to your account, and then you got to enter your email twice to confirm and then proceed to the next step. And after that, you'll be asked to enter your first and last name. So you got to make sure your real name identity verification will be required later using a government issued ID, passport, or driver's license. So you'll also need to choose a unique username which will serve as your Pi network identity. And also, if you have any invitation code, so you can enter it in the provided field. Otherwise, just select no one invited me to continue. And once your account is set up, you're ready to start mining Pi. So simply click on this mining button on the right side of your screen and your phone will begin earning Pi coins automatically. At the top of the screen, you will see the number of Pi coins you've accumulated. And right now, my balance is 0.13407 Pi coins. That is not really enough, but obviously, I just downloaded it right now. So it will keep on growing. And that's it. Mining crypto on your phone is that simple. So let me know in the comments how many Pi coins you've earned so far. And that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.